Most people get this wrong. They assume all cashback or rewards credit cards are basically the same. But the Santander Edge credit card offers some unique perks you need to know before applying. Today, he'll break down the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks so you can make an informed decision. The Santander Edge credit card is designed for everyday spending and offers tiered cashback rewards. You earn points on every purchase, which can be redeemed for statement credits, travel, or gift cards. One of the biggest advantages is the introductory 0% interest on purchases and balance transfers for a limited period, which can save hundreds if you plan to pay off larger purchases over time. Another standout feature is its purchase protection. This covers eligible items against damage or theft for a certain period after purchase. Many people get this wrong. They think only premium cards offer purchase protection, but Santander includes it as a standard benefit. The card also comes with an intuitive mobile app that allows you to track spending, view statements, and redeem rewards easily. Additionally, it provides fraud monitoring and zero liability protection, so you are not responsible for unauthorized charges. The surprising truth is that while the rewards are decent, the annual fee and interest rates can be high after the introductory period. If you carry a balance, the interest may outweigh the benefits. It's best for those who pay in full each month and maximize the rewards. In conclusion, the Santander Edge credit card is a solid choice for everyday spenders who want flexible rewards, purchase protection, and a strong mobile experience. Just make sure to consider fees and your spending habits before applying. Subscribe for more honest credit card reviews and tips to pick the right card for your lifestyle.